Once upon a time, there were two siblings, Herman, to protect their kingdom. Two powerful people.
Their master spoke. Atop the sacred peak lies a power forgotten by time. Claim it, and no evil can stand against you. With hope as their guide, the brothers began the perilous ascent. The climb was brutal, but they reached the summit. With the sacred power now theirs, they returned to the dragon's lair. Together they fused their fire and lightning, and at last the great beasts bowed to their will. Mounted on the majestic white and crimson dragons, the brothers soared from the cave, the kingdom's final defenders riding to war. Masters of the dragons, guardians of the realm, they flew together. They arrived at the battlefield at last. Below them, their kingdom burned. The enemy was at the final gate. They were almost too late. Without hesitation, the fight began. Together, the brothers unleashed their mighty powers and their weapons and fought as one. Seeing that defeat was certain, the elder brother held nothing back. He unleashed the entirety of his power. The last of his power spent, the warrior fell to his knees, completely drained. "Gragan, brother, help me!" With a roar that shook the mountains, the dragon wiped out the remaining enemies. Then, carrying his brother, Gragan flew into the sky, and on the ground below, with his final breath, he gave his last power to heal the one he loved. His elder brother sacrificed the greater part of his strength, and with it brought him back from the brink of death. Healed and reborn, the brothers stood together once more. Stronger, faster, and united, they charged back into battle. From the frozen depths, the dreaded Ice Lord emerged. His power over Frost was absolute, and the brothers knew this would be their hardest battle yet. With razor-sharp blasts of ice, the Ice Lord assaulted them without mercy. The brothers fought back with everything they had, their fire and lightning barely holding against the freezing onslaught. On the brink of defeat, as the Ice Lord moved in for the final blow, a roar split the sky. The two dragons, white as lightning and red as fire, the very beasts they had tamed, returned to save their masters. The battle was long, the cost was high, but at last the Ice Lord, the powerful Wizard Guardian, fell. They had won. Unstoppable now, the brothers and their dragons swept across the battlefield. Not a single soldier of the Dark Lord remained standing. They had cut through every guard to reach him. At the end of the path stood their true enemy, a titan of immense power, a being vast enough to shatter the future and remake the world in his image. The final battle was here,